Hello again, everyone, in Mr. Arnold's class, and welcome to today's training on the semi-synchronous assessment part. We will be using Jamboard and another app called Google Chat to assess your learning in group work. So to access your Jamboard and your group's Jamboard page, the first thing you have to do is click on the Classwork tab of the Google Classroom stream. Next, from Topics, you are going to click on Group Collaboration, and that will open up the information regarding your group. Next, click on CLU 3M and the name of your group. In this case, this student is a member of the Babylonians. When you click on that tab, it will open another tab that shows you a screen called a jam. What you are going to do is now add a sticky note to the jam. The way that you do that is to go over to the editing menu, click on Sticky Note, and simply type yes, no, or I don't know in response to the question on the jam. In this case, I'm just going to put yes. We are going to add more to this answer tomorrow after we get some more information about the subject. To save my sticky note, I'm going to click on Save, and I can now see who added the sticky note and what they put on the sticky note. Once you have it on the jam, you can take your sticky note and you can edit it. You can move it around, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and you can also duplicate it. There are other options, such as adding text or drawing with a pen, or adding some sort of image on your jam. Excellent. So now we're going to look at the second tool, an app that we're going to use for collaboration. In the same assignment, I would like you to click on the card that says Sign In Google Accounts. When you do this, it will open up another tab that brings you to the chat. In the chat, you will find your group is a room at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. When you're in the chat, you can either add to a thread or you can add a new thread within that chat room. In this case, I would like you to answer the question that says introduce yourself by typing a reply underneath that series of questions. So in this case, I'm going to say CWDHS was my home school. The best part of my summer was bicycling. And I am hoping to learn everyone's name. So there's my answer. Excellent. So now you know how to access the Jamboard, and you know how to access Google Chat and add either a new thread or contribute to that thread. Remember, you must add a sticky note to the Jamboard, and you must answer the question in the thread on your group room. Thanks very much, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon.